All right, so we just got this in this mail. It's a PAUTIX 27K, 65K smart Wi-Fi LED strip light, which apparently works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Let's open her up and check it out. All right, you always have to have a manual, and we'll put that there. And here's another one. And here's the lights itself. And I've already connected it here. Let me unconnect it for a second so you guys can see. So it comes with this part here, and this is basically where your power comes in from your transformer. It's got an on switch, a mode switch, and I'm not sure what the S stands for. Here this is right here. It says, do not roll up when using. Please spread out the strip light before connecting to power supply. So before you connect this up, you want to open it up and get it all spread out. You don't want to turn it on while it's in there because it'll probably, start a fire. That would not be good. So let's get this undone here first. This is the side that goes into, this side goes into the thing. So we can lay it all out and turn it on, and then we can turn it off and roll it back up. But it's, there's a lot here. This is like, you figure it's like a foot each one of these. So let's set that there. This is the, this is your on and off remote control. Here's your off, here's your on. These are the different modes, I guess. Here's the auto, here's some music. I guess it plays music, I don't know. We're gonna have to try it out. I believe you gotta pull that out of there. So now that allows the, I think what's in here is the battery. Let's see. You would think it would just pop out. But then again, oh, there we go. So the battery should be right here, right? Oh yeah, here, it's in here. So it's got one of those, I think that's a 20 CR 2025. CR 2025 for this. So let's push it back in. All right, so now that's ready to go. This is your transformer here, which converts your 110 to a 12 volt. And this here would, of course, go into this right there. Bam. And then this connects here. But we're not going to connect it right now. I'm going to roll it out first, and then we'll connect it. Okay? Because we want to see what it looks like. And we'll lay it out. All right, so I'm almost to the end. And then we'll put it up somewhere so we can see it. All right, so there I am. I'm at the end. But I'm going to leave that on there, and then I'm just going to, I think I'm going to set it over here. All right, I'm just going to take this, and so that we can get like an effect of it. All right, so I'll put that back there, like that. And then we'll just kind of drape it over here. I'm just, I'm not, we'll figure out where we're going to put it at a later date, but I just want you guys to see how it looks. Okay? Whoops. Come over here. There we go. So now I just got to plug it in, right? All right, so you want to see how that works. Just going to plug her in here. And then this, so you can see there's two little things on it. So you've got to get it kind of like this, and then that's going to go just like that. And bam, here we go. You want to see it? Wow, that is awesome. Let's grab our, let's see what this does, see if it does anything. So this is mode. So it's got some different modes. Look at that. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try that one. So look, it does that. It's kind of interesting. We can change the color of it. We can make it more yellow. Oh, look here. Here it is. This is better. Yellow. And this is blue. All right, you see that? Yellow and blue. So wow, that's pretty cool. And so you got to play with it a little bit. I don't know if the music will play. We'll see. No music. Oh, so it plays, when you play music, it just kind of vibrates with the music. So that sets it up. Now notice, every time I say something, it makes a brighter light. Pretty cool, huh? And then this is the off button right here. Bam, done. That's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.